Welcome to BizControl, your ultimate one-stop business solution. Let's see how dealers can easily book properties using our property unit booking system. Whether it is a plot, flat, office or villa, BizControl supports 14 types of properties for your clients' every need. Browse your active projects, instantly check basic property details and select the perfect option. Next, move forward by selecting the exact block or unit layout from the interactive grid. Review the specific unit dimensions and enter your OTP. Understanding the rates and your margin. Once the OTP is received, the rate displayed is the builder's rate. You will need to sell above this rate, which will be your profit, and you only need to pay the builder according to their rate. The remaining amount is your margin, which you should deduct before paying the builder. Make sure to secure your commission first. Payment will be made to the builder solely based on their discounted price. Be sure to call the builder's helpline once to confirm details so that no issues arise. Pay special attention to this while finalizing the deal. Explaining the rate types. After OTP verification, you will see two types of rates. Last login price. This is the value that the builder offers to channel partners, above which they sell the unit and take a margin. Discounted last login price. This is a special value provided by the builder exclusively for the BizControl network. This will be your actual base price. Pay special attention to confidentiality. The discounted last login price is only for the use of BizControl's dealer network. Under no circumstances should this price be shared with the client. This is a crucial part of your business security and profit structure. You will determine your margin based on this price. Only tell the client the final price that you decide upon after factoring in your margin and any other applicable charges. How will your margin remain secure? You can sell the unit by adding an appropriate margin on top of the discounted last login price. The builder will only be paid according to their specified discounted last login price. Obtain complete information from the builder about all other charges shown on the screen before giving the final rate to the client, such as PLC charges, club membership charges, IFMS, and all other remaining fees. Inform the client of the final price only after confirming all these charges. Before finalizing any unit booking or deal, you must call the builder's official helpline to confirm the following points: unit availability, current value, confirmation of the discounted last login price, confirmation of all other charges, payment terms, information on any new offers or updates. This includes base costs and payment milestones. While entering client information, make sure to include the names of their primary family members. This is for your security so that they cannot later buy the property through someone else under a family member's name. Only the last 4 digits will go to the builder. It will be verified using only your last 4 digits. So enter the phone number only after ensuring the details are absolutely correct and verified. After this, enter the final unit price and verify the second-level security OTP to proceed with the transaction. Pay special attention while filling in the unit price, as this is the selling price. In the selling price, enter the exact rate at which you are selling the property to your client, meaning the discounted last login price plus your margin. This must be the same rate at which your final bargaining and deal was settled with the client. Important: the selling price must always be higher than the discounted last login price. A rate lower than or equal to the discounted last login price will not be accepted by the system. Fill in the rate using the same unit in which the builder has listed the project, such as per square foot, per square meter, per square yard. Entering the wrong unit or incorrect rate can cause issues in the booking and payment process. Review the complete summary, confirm your dealer commission structure, and click on Pay and Confirm. Complete your payment quickly and securely through our integrated multi-payment gateway. These payments are BizControl's platform charges. After finalizing this payment, your unit will be confirmed. You can collect the payment from your clients based on the payment plan. Withdraw your commission payment right at the beginning. Collect the payment from the client accordingly. And that's it. The job is done. Your property unit has been successfully booked. You can track all live bookings directly from your tab. Share the PDF with the client and your data will remain securely with you. Then, call the helpline immediately to have the builder confirm it. They will also receive the receipt. The builder has nothing to do with the difference between their rate and your rate, and the payment will reach the builder as quickly as possible. Try to ensure it is delivered on the same day. Get complete confirmation from the builder. Managing your real estate inventory is now easier than ever. Download the BizControl app today from the Google Play Store and App Store.